Dr. Ryan, I'm concerned about Mr. Peters' persistent headache. He's been experiencing pain for several weeks, and it's affecting his daily activities.
That's concerning. Have you ruled out any underlying medical conditions?
Yes, we've conducted thorough examinations and tests, including a CT scan and blood work. The results haven't revealed any specific abnormalities.
It's possible that the headache is related to stress, anxiety, or other psychological factors. Have you considered a referral to a neurologist for further evaluation?
That's a good idea. A neurologist can assess for any neurological conditions that might be contributing to the headache.
We could also explore alternative treatment, such as physical therapy or relaxation techniques. These approaches can help manage pain and reduce stress.
I'll schedule a referral to a neurologist and discuss alternative treatment options with Mr. Peter. We need to address his headache to improve his quality of life.
Mihira, I want to reassure you that living with a pacemaker is a very manageable journey, and you can continue to enjoy most of your daily activities with confidence. One of the most common questions I hear is about household appliances. Please rest assured that your microwave oven is perfectly safe to use and will not interfere with your device's function. To keep your pacemaker working optimally, there are just a few simple lifestyle adjustments to keep in mind. You should avoid strong magnetic fields, such as those found in industrial equipment or specific medical imaging tools like MRI machines, unless your cardiologist has specifically cleared you for a newer MRI-compatible device. Regarding everyday technology, it is a sensible precaution to use your cell phone on the opposite side of your chest from where the pacemaker is implanted, keeping the phone at least 6 inches away. Additionally, try to avoid leaning directly over heavy-duty electrical motors or arc welding equipment. These steps are minor, but they ensure your device remains protected. We are here to support you in navigating these changes, and I encourage you to reach out whenever you have questions about your safety or comfort.